Hi, here's a Hunter original low profile fan from November 5th, 1986. It's running on low speed right now and I'll be shut on medium and high. This is my second Hunter original, along with first one being from 1980 and 2-speed and Robbins and Myers. This one is not Robbins and Myers, since Robbins and Myers ended somewhere in 1985. I'll be showing spin down. Then I'll do low, medium, high with 2 blades. Then I'll also do the motor running without the blades. (1986) is the first year of original with gold tags, since it's 100 years after Hunter started in 1886. Unlike most flush mount fans, this fan is not being held by the canopy. Instead, it still uses double claws and U-bolt. And canopy is just used as a cover. This model seems rare, and this is the only low profile original I saw in person. I want to say that besides it being low profile, I want to say there are a few differences between classic original and original low profile. Classic original have wires running above the motor housing, and low profile have wires running just under the upper part of motor housing. In a low profile, motor housing is a bit thinner. However, the motor is still 1.1 amp, just like the 4-blade only classic original. It wobbles a bit, so it wobbles more a medium. And it's silent and blows tons of air, like any other Hunter original. Revolution permanence doesn't seem to make much difference for 4 blades, because it's near the maximum motor revolutions per minute at 60 Hz, and maximum motor revolution per minute at 60 Hz with 28 pole motor is 257 and 1/7. And doesn't seem to blow as much air as it did with all 4 blades. But it wobbles less on medium, and it makes some more air noise. Now here it is motor running without the blades. Notice that revolutions per minute and all three speeds are about the same. It is not much faster than high with blades on. So you know that if your original motor is like that when you test without the blades, please don't assume that the motor is broken. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.